Hi, this is Ginger for scrapwithpal.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to make these cute little Thanksgiving place settings for your Thanksgiving table. And pretty cute, huh? It's cute little feathers here, and then you open it up and you can put a cute little chocolate or whatever, cute little something that you're thankful for. But these would be super cute as place settings for your Thanksgiving table for dinner. So what we're going to use is the Fawn tiny gift box die, and we're going to use the new Fawn turkey and peacock add-on. And then I also pulled out this little curvy banner here, and that's from the double slider surprise die set from Fawn as well. And for our papers, we're using some the 6x6 knock on wood. We're going to use the light color tin here, the gold, the orange, and the pretty teal. And then I'm also going to use some double-sided adhesive. This is a Fawn 1/4 inch. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to die cut our little gift box here. So I've got get the big shot here, and we're going to grab the little die. Now here's a little tip for you. You actually can get 3 little boxes out of one sheet of 8.5 by 11 if you cut it on the 11-inch side at 6 inches, and then you can take it and you can flip it this way and then this way, and then you have the extra piece at the end to cut one. So this was just an extra piece that I had, so we're going to go ahead and put this on here like this and run it through our die cutting machine. So there's our little box. And the die does give you little score lines right here, so super easy. All you have to do is fold on your score lines. So we're going to grab our bone folder and our glue. And to save some time, I went ahead and die cut some of the smaller pieces already. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our little box together. So I'm going to fold on the score lines, and like I said, the die gives you score lines already. You want to make sure you use your bone folder for this project, so that way your little box is nice and square. And one more. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and put our little box together. So we're going to get our double-sided adhesive out. And we're just going to put adhesive on these 4 tabs right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, to form our box. And then the key to any double-sided adhesive is you want to make sure you burnish your tape. Number 1, it makes it stick better, and number 2, it helps the backing come off a lot easier. So go ahead and remove the backing from the tape. And we're just going to fold up the walls. Make sure that you line up your edges so your box is nice and square. Okay, and I'm just gonna really quickly run my bone folder in there and just make sure that's pressed down all the way. So there's our little box. It folds up just like this. Now, when you add the little face and the rest of the elements to the little box, you need to make sure that where it opens, that's the back of the box, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get our other little pieces out. So we die cut his little face and his little feathers. I wanted him to be quite festive, so we used some different colors here for his little tail feathers. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put his little face together. Now when you die cut it out, it cuts out the holes in the nose. So you can do one of two things. You can take a little piece of black here, which is what I'm going to do, and put it behind. And then I die cut a little small section of his face just so I could get the nose. Or you can just do a small strip of orange here on the back along with the black. But I wanted it to be inlaid, so we're going to do it that way. So I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to use my Fawn liquid glue, the glue tube, and just add some glue around outside here. And we're gonna put the little piece on the back like this. So cute. And then I went ahead and die cut his small little section of his face just so I could get the nose. And we're gonna pop that out, and then we're just gonna put a little dot of glue there where his nose goes and just inlay that in. Like so. Just like a puzzle piece. Super cute, isn't it? Then we've got his little wings. So I'm going to add his little wings right here on the back of his face before I adhere it to the front of the box. So we're just going to line them up like that and glue them down. So again, we're going to add a little glue here. And on this one, and I'm going to put it about right there. There's really no right or wrong on where to put these. So now we're going to go ahead, and this is our back piece. I cut the back tail feather section out of the same brown that I did the box in his face, and then we're going to add the layers. Now what I want to do is I'm going to flip this over so the wrong side of the die cut is going to be facing me, and I'm going to glue these onto the wrong side so that way the prettier side of the paper is going to be showing, just kind of like that. So we're going to start with, and there's little score lines here, little marks, so you know where to put your little feathers. I'm going to start with the smallest one and work my way around. So I'm going to add the teal. And there's the center line. And I just want to make sure that I don't have too much sticking out there. So cute. And the next one's going to be the yellow. And then we'll add the orange one to the top. Now this little cutout right here is going to go right where the cutout on the box is. But we're going to add a feather there, and I'll show you how we're going to do that in just a second. Which that way they can still open the box. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. Again, we're just going to line it up with the little marks on the die. And the last one. Oh my gosh, cute, right? So now we're going to go ahead and glue this to the back of the box. So the brown's showing on the back, and so when you look at it from the front, you'll see the pretty little feathers. Now you could, if you wanted to, die cut another layer and put the colors on the back, which is what I did on this one here. But I thought the dark brown looked pretty cute. So we're just going to go ahead, especially if you're going to make a bunch of these. We're going to go ahead and you want to add your glue to the back of the box instead of here. So we're going to go ahead and add our glue. And then we're going to take this, and that little curve is going to line up right with the curve there, and the bottom of the feathers are going to line up at the bottom of the box. And we're just going to make sure we have it on there straight. So cute. The nice thing about using the liquid glue is you can move it around and you get it straight. Okay. So there's his little feathers, but he's got a little hole there, but we're gonna fix that. So I've got this little piece here, which is the one that you're supposed to glue right here. But since it's a single-sided paper, I didn't want the white to show, so I die cut it again in the brown. And we're gonna glue these two pieces together, and then we'll attach it to the lid. Just so it gives it a nice little finished look. So again, I'm gonna glue these back to back, just like this. And then we're going to glue this to this portion of the lid. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. And I'm going to line that up in the middle of my tab. And I want this feather to stick up just a little bit higher than the other two. So I'm going to make sure that when I close it, there it is. Cute, right? Oh my God, do you love it? I love it. So cute. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside to dry and we're gonna finish our little turkey face. So since it's Thanksgiving and he's a cute little turkey, we gotta make him a little pilgrim hat. So we've got the little buckle here and I cut that out of orange, and then the little gold piece I cut out of yellow to match his little feathers. He's a festive little turkey. So I'm going to glue this on first. And there's little score lines on, I know it's hard to see on the black, but there are little marks right here so you know where to layer the little belt or the little brim or whatever you want to call this little band. Goes on his little pilgrim hat right there. And then the little buckle. Gonna go right here. So cute. And then he has his cute little waddle here. So I'm gonna put a little dot of glue on his face. And then I'm gonna put the other little dot of glue. Now you could run this through a little sticker machine if you wanted, or die cut it with an adhesive sheet on back. But oh my God, how cute is he? All right, now we're going to add his cute little hat. And we're just going to center that. I'm just going to eyeball it. That looks pretty cute. You could put it to the side. You could put it in the middle. Wherever you want. So there we go. Then we got his little feet. There are little score lines or little fold lines on his little feet right here at the ankle, so you can fold them up like this, and you can attach them right here so it looks like he's standing, or you can not fold them up and you can just glue them to the bottom of the box so it looks like he's sitting. But I'm going to go ahead and fold them up and just add a little dot of glue here. foot down at a time. And I want to make sure that they're even. So cute like that, right? Oh my gosh. And we're going to glue the other one on. Like so. Now we can glue this all on to the front of our little box. How cute is that? Oh my God, can you stand it? Okay, again, I'm going to put the glue on the actual box instead of the back here, so I know where the glue is supposed to go. We're just going to line it at the bottom and the sides up. Press it down. And there's our cute little turkey. So now what you can do, what I plan on doing is I've got all my little turkeys all ready here like this. And then I die cut the little banner and put everybody's name on it. So then you can just take the little names and you can just glue them down to the feet like this. How cute is that? And one more here. Or you could, you know, glue them up here if you wanted, but I thought they looked pretty cute, so their little feet were standing on there. So anyway, there you go, everybody. That's the cute little tiny gift box from Fawn, and using the really super cute little turkey add-on to create some fun Thanksgiving decor for your Thanksgiving table, some little place sittings. So there you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day, and all the supplies will be listed in the description box of the video. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.